Hello, my people. Welcome back to Dima's Kitchen. Thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be making the popular Nigerian jollof rice. Guys, do you know jollof rice is from the people of Wolof in Senegal? We have them to thank for this beautiful recipe. Guys, if you try this recipe, you are gonna keep doing this recipe, period. Like, it's so tasty. It's 100 over 100. Please like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Please also comment down below. So the ingredients for this beautiful rice will be on the screen. It will also be in the description bar below. You can also pause and take a screenshot as well. So I'm starting with chopping up my onions. You can chop it to any size really. I mean, not just too big, but yeah. I'm also gonna cut my spring onion as well at this point. But with the spring onions, I'm just gonna cut the white bits and not the green bits. I'm gonna use that later towards the end of the cooking. I'm just cutting up my Scotch bonnet, my bell pepper, blending it all out with the Scotch bonnet, the garlic, ginger, and the chopped tomato. I'm just going to blend that to a smooth paste. Guys, I'm really loving my Ninja blender. I've had it for quite a while. It really does get the job done. So I'm all ready and good to go. So to my pan, I'm going to add my cooking oil. I'm using sunflower oil. Guys, we need oil to be able to fry the tomato for our jollof rice. You can decant this after, but yeah, you do need oil to fry the tomatoes. So I've just added my spring onion and my onion. I'm gonna be adding some spices here. That's curry powder, mixed herbs, garlic granules, thyme, ginger, and rosemary. Guys, the aroma in the kitchen, it's so beautiful. I'm gonna add my tomato paste and I'm gonna allow that to cook for about 10-15 minutes on its own. Please remember to continue to stir this, if not it does burn. Also, you can cook this on medium to high heat. You need to watch your heat. I use medium to high heat instead of the other way around. So I'm adding my blended paste. So this is my Scotch bonnet, onions, garlic, ginger, bell pepper. You can be scraping my bowl all the way. So I'm just gonna give that a nice stir for about 20 minutes, and then I'm adding my smoked paprika. This also gives the rice a vibrant color. It adds to it. I'm adding my salt to taste. Also, a good tip will be to add salt enough that you can taste it at this point. Not too much that is too salty, but enough that you go, okay, this is quite, enough of the salt here now. This makes sure you have a tasty rice. So I'm just washing my rice. I'm using golden Sella Basmati rice. Guys, I love this rice for jollof rice, fried rice. It's really good. It doesn't go soggy easy. So I'm going to be parboiling this rice just for about 5 minutes. And then I'm gonna rinse it out again.
Just a little bit. I've got this bit out.
So my sauce is nice and ready. I'm going to be adding my meat stock. You can use any stock of your choice, fish, chicken, beef, anything really of your choice, that's okay. And I'm going to be adding my washed and parboiled rice at this point. Give it a nice stir. Trust me guys, every single grain gets into the pot. So I'm going to be adding hot boiled water. Do not use cold water please, because then it slows down the cooking process. Use hot boiled water. So do not add too much water to your rice, just enough to cover the rice. This rice cooks with steam and not the water. So I'm covering mine with foil. You can use cling film, parchment paper. It's entirely up to you and what you have available to you. So guys, look at that. My water has drained, or the rice has soaked up the water. I'm gonna give that a nice stir, and then I'm gonna cover that up again for like another 15 minutes. Remember, I'm using medium heat. So I'm back again to give it a good stir. So with jollof rice, it does burn at the bottom, but that's okay, because then that also adds to the beautiful flavor. But when you're stirring the rice, make sure you're not picking up the burnt part. And that's why it's also good to cook on medium heat, because then it doesn't burn that much, if that makes sense. So I'm just cutting up my onions, tomato, and the leafy part of the spring onion, or the green part of the spring onion that we left earlier. I'm going to use this to garnish the rice. So I'm just adding that on. Guys, do not worry that you're gonna have like blobs of tomato or strings of onions in your rice, because I can assure you it's gonna cook and become tender and it will dissolve in the rice, so you will see them but barely. I'm just gonna add my leafy part of, the green part of the spring. I don't know why I keep calling it leafy. It's a bit leafy, but yeah. The green part of the spring onion. I'm gonna cover that again for like another 10 minutes. And then I come back. You see how it has cooked nicely. I'm going to stir that in to incorporate all of them in nicely. Guys, look at the steam doing the wonders. Just look at that. That is so beautiful. Please check your rice, see if the grain has become soft. Cook it down to how soft you want it to be. I don't like mine to get too soft, but I do like it to get soft. Just, the right softness to it. So now let's prepare our chicken. So I've taken the skin of my drumsticks. The ingredients will be on the screen. I'm just going to add my spices to my chicken. So I'm gonna give that a nice stir so that the chicken gets coated, with the spices and the soy sauce. Just gonna give that a nice whirl or turning over, and I'm gonna line my baking tray and put my chicken on there. I'm gonna be cooking the chicken in the oven for 45 minutes to an hour at 180 degrees. Guys, do you like to take the skin off your chicken, or is it just, am I the only one that does this? I don't know, but yeah, I do take off the skin on my chicken. If it is on the hard chicken, sometimes I leave some of the skin, not all, but on the soft one I take it off. Guys, look at that, my chicken is nice and crispy, it's ready, and that rice is also ready to go, nicely cooked, tender, very tasty. I served mine with salad. This rice was so yummy, guys, so yummy. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Please let me know if you tried this recipe. Let me know how it turned out. If you have any questions, pop it in the comment section below. Please like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.